Guys, welcome back to the Dude's Gourmet Kitchen. Today, we're making a steak salad using this New York strip and our signature steak seasoning. Our Dude signature seasoning is very nice, got some smoky flavors to it, goes very good with Serrano chilies. That's why we're gonna be making a Serrano Chili Vinaigrette. We're also gonna top some of these vegetables off with Tasman smoked sea salt, and we also have this really good product. It's from Nuvo. This is their cold pressed basil olive oil. And I'm gonna shake our Dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. The first thing I want to do is get our red onions and cherry tomatoes in the oven. So what we're going to do right now is give it some of this Nuvo cold pressed basil olive oil, like that. Then some of our Tasman smoked sea salt. Give it a mix. And now we're gonna throw them in the oven. Those vegetables should be in the oven for around 10 minutes. So now that my vegetables are in the oven, I have my steak over here. It's been resting for about a half hour, so it's at room temperature. I'm gonna hit it with my seasoning, I'm gonna cook it, and then we're gonna let it rest. Don't forget to season the back part also. Get some oil in that pan. I wanna do about 2.5 minutes each side. While that's happening, we can make our vinaigrette. Over here is a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 garlic clove, about 1/4 of a shallot chopped, around 20 black compote peppercorns. These are the brined ones. And then I have about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then some of our Serrano chili infused Nuvo olive oil. Ooh, delicious. Let's see what this steak looks like over here. Looks good. To make things really delicious on this steak, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of butter. Now you can start basting it. Stand that up on the fat side for around, I don't know how it looks. Steak looks ready to go. I'm gonna let that rest. Now we can start building our salad. Right here is some red leaf romaine. Always get yourself a good long knife. That's why I have this kurisuke from Forge to Table. Just like that. Now you're gonna hold it tight. Get a nice bowl, spread it out. Now we have this really beautiful cucumber. I don't like the ends. We're gonna cut this into 4s. And we're gonna take the seeds out. Now we're just gonna chop them up. Don't need to be too small, nice sized pieces. All on one side right there. Let's go see what our red onions and tomatoes look like. These are exactly how we wanted them. A little wilted, starting to get some color on them. The flavor really enhances when you guys do cook them a little bit, but we don't wanna throw hot vegetables directly into a cold salad, so we're gonna finish up with everything else. Here I have some almonds that have like a little bit of like crushed rosemary and some salt on them. Just gonna put these all over the place on this side. Here I just have some regular nice stinky blue cheese. Now that our steak's been resting for a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and give it a cut. This steak looks absolutely awesome. So when you cut the steak, you want to keep it to the curve of the outside. So this steak is going to go over here. We're going to put it on an angle like that. Grab your knife. I'll leave a couple pieces. Now make it look nice. Now you're going to serve this to a few people. So just take your time, fan it out, make it look good. Leave yourself a couple snacks. So good. We have our red onions over here, right in the middle, like that. And our roasted cherry tomatoes, you can kind of put everywhere. Some your vinaigrette right on top, guys. This salad looks absolutely insane. And one of the most important parts of this salad is gonna be your pepperberry Tasman Sea Salt. This is the most underrated of the Tasman salts. It's awesome, it's sweet, it's smoky, it's delicious. It's the best thing for a salad. Look at that steak salad, guys. Is that nuts or what? All right, let's mix this up and try it. That's a steak salad. That's a real good steak salad. Sorry, I'm not talking, I'm just enjoying this. Don't forget, my barbecue bundle is here. 50 bucks delivered. You get all 5 of our signature seasonings, a shorty spatula, some really cool serving times, a barbecue mat. Good to go. I'm gonna eat this salad, man. This thing is amazing.